Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel 777 Cosmic Tarot. I really hope you all are doing good. Guys, this reading is going to be for the next few days. This is your love reading. We'll see what's happening in your love life. We'll see your person's current energies, your current energies in this relationship. Please keep in mind, guys, that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take however it resonates. Do not try to fit in. And if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energies as it suits you. Okay, so let's see, guys, what do we have in store for you. This is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. I think the first card, Knight of Pentacles. What else? What do we have in store for my Capricorn? Okay, we have rebirth. Let's see what else. Okay. Three of Swords. My God. Okay, what else? Eight of Cups. Okay, what else? Seven of Swords. Four of Wands. Alright, so let's see what else do we have for my Capricorn. The High Priestess. Okay. Knight of Cups. Page of Swords. The Hangman. Okay. What else? The Hierophant. Okay, this is the second card, that is Two of Cups. Seven of Pentacles and one last card. Two of Swords. I've got the answers. Alright, bottom of the deck is the mutual energies. Okay, again the Star. So let me keep the cards properly so that you all can see all the cards. Okay, Capricorn, as far as you guys are concerned, I feel that you guys are going through a major shift in your life, like a period of transformation. It is like some major changes. You guys are going through some major changes. Now these changes could be difficult. I do see you guys going through some major changes in your life, but I don't see you very unhappy in your life. Okay, so maybe you are in this place where you are not comfortable. I don't say that you're very happy in your life, but you're not even sad. Okay, for some of you, I feel that you guys may have ended a relationship, or there is an end to something. I feel that you guys are going through some major endings in your life. That is for sure. Major endings. It is like a relationship is coming to an end. So some of you are going through a breakup, divorce, a difficult phase in your life. Okay, it is like major changes that's happening in your life right now. As far as your person is concerned, this person is somebody who may have walked away from this relationship. I feel that this person may have walked away or is going to walk away from this relationship, because it's a general reading. For most of you, this person may have recently walked away. For the others of you, I think you guys are in this process of separation, like you both are going different ways. I see that thing here. Reason being, one of you has not been loyal in this relationship. One of you was in a third party relationship. You feel that your person either has walked away or is walking away. Okay, you guys are in this process. So you are seeing your relationship coming to an end. Okay, I see that. Now, I don't know why, guys, I feel that this is for very few of you, Capricorn. Okay, so I'm not saying you all are in a third party situation, but I feel that 1% of you, like 1 in 100, okay, I do see that some of you, 1 in 100, may be involved in a third party relationship, because of which you ignored your person. And this person is somebody who has been very loyal towards you, but now this person has given up on you and they are moving away. Okay, I do see them walking away from this relationship. It is like this person has decided to walk away from you. They don't want to stay in this relationship anymore. Look at this. This person has made up their mind to walk away from this relationship. Okay, they don't want to be in this anymore. I feel that this person has been very loyal towards you. This person has been very serious towards you, like throughout this relationship, but this person did not see the potential, and could be that they got to know the truth that you are involved somewhere else. Or I feel that this person could be that you are dealing with somebody who could be intuitive also. So because of which this person, either they got to know that you are involved somewhere else, this person has made a decision to walk out of this relationship. Now, as I said, this is for 1% of you, and this has come specifically in this reading. So 1% of you, maybe you were involved in an extramarital affair with somebody else. So it was like a secret that you were keeping to yourself, something like this, but you have realized that you made a mistake. So maybe you guys are in this process of bringing an end to that relationship. That was a temporary relationship, and you want to get back to your person. You want to get back to your person, but I'm not. But you're not sure now. You feel that maybe things have gone so sour that you cannot mend things with this person anymore. Maybe because this person has already walked out of this relationship. This person, whoever you're dealing with, Capricorn, they are in pain, immense pain. This person is somebody who is literally crying. Do you see this girl crying? Do you see this girl crying now? This could be a boy, this could be a man, this could be a woman, doesn't matter. But this person, whoever you're dealing with, they're literally crying, moaning, and they have finally made up their mind to walk out of this relationship. This person has sacrificed this relationship. This person has definitely sacrificed you, and this person is not happy about it, but they could sense that there is no potential in this relationship with you. For the others of you, maybe this person found out that you were involved with a third party, or you were having an extramarital affair with somebody else, because of which this person has made up their mind to move away. Now, this extramarital thing, this is only for 1% of you, not all of you. Please keep that in mind, because it's a general reading. This message has come here, so I'll have to be honest. So for the others of you, I feel that you guys are going through a major transformation in your life. Okay, major transformation. This could be in your career. Some of you are literally struggling in your career. Could be that some of you are literally struggling in your career. For the others of you, as I said, there are, I don't know, you guys are going through some endings, and there is a complete rebirth that you guys are going through. Okay, this is like a process of rebirth. you have changed in this process. You have matured in this process. I feel that you literally had immense, whoever you're dealing with, Capricorn, you had immense love for this person. Literally, it was like a divine love. You never thought that you would walk away from this relationship. But I still feel that some of you, for the others of you who are still in this relationship, you guys are confused. You don't know what to do. You're still thinking on the way forward. You really don't know. You guys are literally seeking guidance. Okay, you guys are literally seeking guidance. You don't know what to do. You're confused. Some of you, you're literally having hopes like maybe this person changes. Whoever you're dealing with, you feel that maybe this person will change one day. You are waiting for the love. You're waiting for this love to grow, or you're waiting for things to get better. Okay, some of you, I feel that you're literally waiting for things to get better. And for some of you, I feel you guys know that your person is getting close to somebody else. I'm not saying that they are literally dating. No, this person has been very serious for you all this while. I don't say them cheating on you yet, but I do see that this person is involved with somebody else. It's like they're knowing someone. Okay, I do see that these two people are getting closer day by day. And you can feel that. You literally feel that, maybe some of you, you know that this person is talking to somebody else. They're getting close to somebody else. I don't know, guys. This person, whoever you're dealing with, this is a mutual energy. I don't know why I feel that you both, okay, Capricorn, you both. I don't know why I'm having this reading today. I don't see you both happy with each other. I don't see you both happy with each other. Yes, your person loved you a lot. Okay, this person had immense love for you at one point in time, but this person feels that they never got what they desired from you or from this relationship. So maybe, which is why this person, either they have already moved on or they are in this process of moving on. Okay, even if you are with this person is thinking of moving on from this relationship. This person is like on the verge of making a decision. Okay, this person is almost on a verge of making a decision. Yes, this person did love you a lot. I'm not saying that they never loved you. This person loved you, but I feel that this person is coming to a point where they are on the verge of giving up on you. Okay, almost giving up on you. And on the other end, I see you leaving a third party for this person. This is mutual. For some of you, you feel like sacrificing this relationship with this person, but somehow you're trying to hold on. You're still taking some time to think, what should you do? Should you let this person go or should you invest? I feel that you both are mirroring each other right now. It is like whatever this person is thinking, you are also thinking the same. So it is like you both feel like giving up on this relationship, Look at this. But for most of you, I feel that this person has almost decided to leave you. Of course, with a heavy heart, they're not happy. But I do see an end. For most of you, I don't know, you guys are either going through breakup, divorce, and the chances of reconciliation is, I do see that there are chances of reconciliation. Okay, I do see, but not for all of you. Okay, I don't see that. For most of you, this is like a real end. But yes, for some of you, there are chances of reconciliation, provided one of you will have to adjust, because I see that one of you has been cheating on the other person. Okay, now in some cases, this, as I said, 1% of you. So in some cases, maybe you are involved in a third party. In some cases, maybe this person is. But to be fair, for most of you, I feel, guys, that this is you who was involved somewhere else. Yeah. Okay, I want to pull one more card for the others of you who are still in this relationship. So let me see what's coming for you. Queen of Swords. See, it is like you guys are in this process of making a decision, and some major decision. Okay, this may either bring you both back together, or this may land up you both being separated. So some major decisions will be made. I think you guys are seeking clarity. Okay, you guys are still seeking clarity from your person. Some of you are like, I'm waiting for an answer, I need clarity. Okay, I cannot wait more. You feel that you have been waiting since long. It is like you giving an ultimatum to this person. I don't know, I see that, yeah, you giving a final warning to this person. Give me some clarity, or else I'm ready to, or let's just end it. You know, that kinds. Okay, give me some clarity, or let's just end it. For some of you, I feel that you are not really bothered. This is a process of rebirth for you, I'm not denying that, but I feel that you're still okay with this entire process. Maybe you were not happy with this person in the past. Okay, that is why you are happy. For some of you, maybe you also have an option because of which you are not taking this person seriously. It's like their existence in your life doesn't really matter. It is like you feel, of course I see that you have immense love for this person, I'm not denying it, but you felt ignored with this person. You always felt ignored in this relationship. So which is why the outcome of this relationship doesn't really bother you anymore. Okay, so you are like happy, whatever happens will happen, that kind of attitude. Okay, so yes, I do see that there are chances of reconciliation, but I see that you guys will still be in that same energy that, you know, you may feel that you will see that your person is talking to somebody else, they will see you involved with somebody else. As far as the outcome is concerned, I feel that even if you reconcile, or even if you both come back together, okay, I do see that one of you is going to be sneaky. Okay, we have the 7 of Swords here, 2 of Swords here. One of you will always be in and out in this relationship. In and out meaning doing things secretively. For some of you, okay, especially if you are a masculine energy, maybe it was you who was cheating on your person, because of which your person may have walked away, especially if you're a masculine energy. So maybe your person has walked away from this relationship because they saw you involved with somebody else. They realized that they never got the love that they ever wished from you. Okay, but it doesn't bother you. I don't see you very unhappy about this entire situation, Capricorn. Especially if you're a masculine energy, you guys are thinking a lot to move on. So I don't know, for whoever this reading is, I really feel that you guys are heading towards an end. I feel it's you who is not very serious about this person. So you are okay if they move on. You're okay with their decision to move on in life, because I feel that you are also in a place where you are willing to sacrifice this relationship. Some of you have already left this person. Literally, you have already left this person. This person has left you. For the others of you, even if you reconcile, I do see that one of you will still be sneaky. I feel that this relationship is very dicey. Dicey meaning you both have ego problems. Okay, for the others of you who are still in this relationship, I do see ego problems. It is like you don't tell them how you feel towards your person, and this person, whoever you're dealing with, they don't speak their heart to you, because of which a lot of misunderstandings have cropped up in your relationship, and this has led to something big. Okay, because of which the entire relationship has gone for a toss. Now your person is somebody who is keeping a very close check on you, Capricorn. This person is spying on you. This person is literally keeping a very close tab on you. Maybe they have moved on in life, or you both are separated. This person is still keeping a watch on you. So if you are still in this relationship with this person is somebody who feels stuck. See, this person doesn't know what to do. They feel stuck. They are confused. We have the Hangman here, Two of Swords here, High Priestess here. This person just doesn't know, like, the way forward. They're confused. They are stuck. They don't know what to do. And as I said, you both are egoistic in some cases, because of which there is no forward movement in this relationship, okay? Some of you, maybe you have joined a new job, okay? You may have recently got a new job and you may have joined recently. That is some message that I'm getting here. Yeah. So as far as the outcome of this relationship is concerned, Capricorn, it is very dicey. Okay, dicey meaning, I said, for most of you, I see that you guys have already got separated and you are going through this breakup phase. For the others of you who are still in this relationship, you're struggling, you know, to make things work. But you both are, it's like you and your person, you both are detached from the outcome. Maybe you guys are mentally prepared to sacrifice this relationship. It is like, as I said, you are not really worried about what will happen, what will not happen. You are going with the flow. You are like, okay, if it has to happen, it will happen. Otherwise, you guys are ready. Okay, I see you ready, I see your person ready. Okay, so that is something I see in this relationship. And one thing, this relationship can get better only if you both sit and talk, or if you both work towards each other. That's the only thing that can help you come together. Otherwise, the outcome is very dicey. I'm not saying that all of you are going to end. No. But you'll have to put in a lot of efforts, because I don't know, you guys are in a very difficult phase. Like, literally, you guys will have to sit, talk, discuss, you both. But I don't see either of you thinking also to put efforts. This person is stuck. This person doesn't know what to do. They don't want to take any action towards you, and they think that you should take the initiative, and you don't know what to do. You are confused. At times you feel like making a move towards this person, but there's something that's stopping you to move forward. So I see you confused. You had high hopes from this person, but maybe because you both are strong-headed in some cases, that is the major worry here. That's a major cause of this relationship going sour. If one of you can work towards it, well and good. See, you're still on a verge of taking a decision. You are thinking, High Priestess, this. See, I think you guys are in this place where you are thinking, you know, if you're still in this relationship, you're still thinking what to do. You're trying to listen to your intuition. You're trying to follow your heart. For some of you, I feel that maybe you have some option in your life. Okay, maybe there's already somebody in your life because of which you feel that, is this person even worth putting efforts in? Because the person that you have in your life, that person is giving you a lot of attention, a lot of love. So you guys are also thinking, should you even invest on this person, because you never received anything. Okay, so I think you guys are going through a major transformation. This is like a rebirth for you, Capricorn. So something has happened in your life that has really shook you in every way. But still, I don't see you unhappy. I see you're like a warrior, Capricorn. So I see you like a warrior. In spite of you going through a lot in this relationship, you guys are not letting it affect your mental health, or you guys are being strong in spite of going through everything. Okay, that is something I see. You guys have been through a lot. Some of you, you're going through a lot. As I said, some of you, you have been separated recently. The others of you, if you are in this relationship, you're going through a lot, but you're still being like a warrior. You're fighting it out, and you are not letting the situation affect you mentally. So that is something I'm happy about. Okay, so let's see if we have any advice for my Capricorn. Seven of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, we have two cards. Ten of Swords. Capricorn, I certainly see a strong commitment heading your way. This is for people who have been divorced or who have just broken up with your person, okay, in the last 1 year, 6 months, or last month, whatever. So I see that you guys are going to get a strong commitment. Okay, as I said, you guys have two options already. One you may have already met, and one is coming your way. See, you will be in this place where you are going to choose, like, who do I choose? Capricorn, I do see you are going to have choices very soon. That is the advice that I'm seeing here. So very soon you are going to have choices in your love life. This is for people who have broken up, and even if you are in this relationship but you're not happy, you're seeking a strong commitment, you want to move on in life, whatever it is. See, Ten of Swords, you guys want to bring an end to something. See, here I see death, a rebirth, and this is also a rebirth card. So some of you, you're literally heading towards a new future. I see a new future waiting for you, Capricorn. We have the Ace of Pentacles, something beautiful that's coming your way. Okay, so I think you're going to meet a soulmate of yours. I don't know why, I literally feel that intuitively. Some of you, you're literally going to meet your soulmate. That is why you guys are going through all this. Now I know. Look at these three cards. Nine of Cups. Oh my God, I just spoke about soulmate and we have the Nine of Cups. This is your wish fulfillment. Oh my God, now I know. Guys, some of you, I feel that you were in a wrong relationship in the past. That was a karmic. Okay, a karmic relationship is something that will give you pain, but now you're going to meet your soulmate. Soulmates are always better than a karmic relationship. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Look at these four cards. These four cards just said it all. Some of you, I think you're going to be offered a strong commitment. This is like a gift from God. Do you see Ace of Pentacles? It is like God giving you a beautiful gift, a person who is going to give you all that you ever wished for in your life. Nine of Cups is a wish fulfillment card. So you guys are heading towards a new future. See, you guys have turned your back towards this person, this entire energy. You want to move on. You're frustrated, Capricorn. Okay, you're frustrated. You don't want to stay in this energy. I don't know, this could be for most of you. I feel that you guys are going to move on in life from something. So you're going to leave a toxic relationships behind and move forward to a new future, a new love offer. And this is something divine. Okay, this is something divine. It is like you literally wished for and you're going to get it. Wow, this is like, I don't know, this is something very divine, Capricorn. Some of you, you have already met this person. This person is there in your life and you're already talking to this person. So I said you guys are going to have choices. It is like you'll be choosing either two, or for some of you this could be 3 to 4 options. Some of you, you have met, and the others of you, you're going to meet. Because this is what is coming your way. See, you're going to literally turn your back to all the past hurt, past pain. It is like a rebirth, a process of rebirth for you, Capricorn. It's like after every ending there is a rebirth, and this is a rebirth for you. Look at this. I said major transformation, and that is what I see. Now I know why you guys are going through this phase. Don't worry, because you know what? After every night there is a beautiful morning that awaits you. So maybe this is your dark phase, Capricorn. So you guys are going to see a bright sun now. Okay, look at this. So you guys, this is a wish fulfillment card. It is like Some of you, you feel that you have been unlucky in love, you've never found the true love, or you did not find what you really seek, like the right person, the right compatible person. That is something that's coming your way. This is like you wished for it and universe is granting your wish. Okay, so your wishes are going to get fulfilled, Capricorn. Okay, so just be happy, guys. I'm very happy. I really am very happy after seeing this end. After seeing this, I'm really happy after seeing these 4 cards. Now I know why did you go through all these energies in your life, in your recent past. You have been through so much because you're heading towards a new future, a very beautiful future. Okay, let's see any other advice for you. We'll see from this if we have any other advice. Okay, oh my god, I just said, didn't I just say a new romantic cycle begins? Look at this. This is a confirmation. Surrender to the divine. That is what you are being asked to. You remember I had the star card at the bottom of the deck. You guys have been praying. Okay, you guys have been seeking guidance, and the message is surrender. Whatever is happening is very painful. Just surrender. Okay, just laugh. Some of you, you are, as I said, you're being like a warrior. You're taking it like a pinch of salt. You're being like a warrior. You're not letting the situation affect your mental health. So you're trying to be strong. That is what I see here. Okay, so this is your message. Surrender to the divine. Whatever is happening, so that you can come out of a toxic past and move towards a bright future. A new romantic cycle begins. Look at this. For the others of you, if you have been single, you are waiting for new love. Yes, this is coming. It is like your wishes are going to come true. It is like your wishes will be fulfilled. Like it's like your wishes being answered. Like it is like whatever you wished, you're going to get it now. Okay, the time has come for you to get what you have been wishing all this while. Okay, new love. Just surrender. That's the message. Okay, guys, let's see what do we have at the bottom. Don't let pride get in your way. Didn't I say this is for those of you who are still in this relationship? Okay, I said you both are holding on to your egos. Now this is for some of you. Maybe you both are egoistic, not in a bad way. Maybe you feel that your person is egoistic, they feel you are egoistic, and you both don't take the initiative towards each other. Okay, so this is like pride coming in middle, because of which you both are either not talking or this relationship has gone sour. So whatever it is, so this is a message. Don't let pride get in your way, because sometimes if we don't open up, we can lose a beautiful relationship. Okay, that's the message that I see here. Okay, guys, so that was that, Capricorn. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate. Okay, and guys, I would want to tell you that I share videos in English and Hindi, both the languages, in the same channel. So don't ever get confused if I post a video in Hindi. Okay, so that was that. You guys take care, be safe. I'll see you soon. Bye.